Hey, what's up, Jooba people? Download the PDF for this lesson and let's get going. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to show you two ways to play the chorus. The easy way. And the hard way. That's the way Damien plays it in one of his live videos. Okay, so let me just give you a close-up of the demo so you can quickly check this out. So it's going to go... twice, and then so that's and then the chorus is the easy way. Or the hard way. So, two ways to play it that both sound really nice and really cool song. Okay, so let's break down the riff and and the chords. Okay, so the first chord is this E minor here, which it comes from this E minor, and then you put your pinky on the 5th fret like that. Okay, so that's the note that it's in brackets. And then you gotta go. That's what you're gonna do with the riff. So it's E minor, but you gotta boom, and that's how the riff works. Boom, boom. That's the first part. And then you go to the next chord, to the C. G. Now the G that he uses is not the full G with the two fingers at the bottom, but you could use this G in the chorus. He just uses these two because it's like very bassy kind of riff. Okay, sorry, I've been a bit sick. And then it goes to this D. And this D is the same shape as the C. Just scroll there. Okay, so that D is the same shape as the C. It's like a D add 11 thing. Okay, so it goes boom, and then he does this hammer on with the G. So and then he does a slide to the D on the A string, and then a hammer on the D. So and then he plays this open G string just like very silently. It's almost like a ghost note. Okay, pretty easy. And then the second time he does this riff area over here. he's going E minor, boom, da 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 da, and it's like an octave shape. Da 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 da. So, down, up, down, up, down, down. This G, so boom. G, D, it's going on. So, boom. Da 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 da. G, D, A minor, C/B, A minor. So that pre-chorus part, they do. I'm just gonna focus on this A minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, if something's underlined like that, then it means the two chords share a bar. So it's and then the chorus. Most people teach this song as G, C, D. So, but what he's actually doing in these live versions is he's doing a G sus4. Now you could play G sus4 in one of two ways. The easy way is to do G like this. Hey, come on, you get G, and then to do this finger here. That's a G sus4. So that's G and it's G sus4. So we go. Or you could do it like G. The hard way that he plays it is with these two shapes in this one of his live versions. So it's this G like this, it's like a Jimi Hendrix shape. And then it goes G. See the D. Now this D shape is this one. Okay. It comes from this C shape and you just take it up. So D add 9 add 11. Which I'm not sure is the proper name, but you can just call it like a D11. So, stop me very indie type shape, very common to the style of music that he plays it to. I think that song is also at this capo. Anyway, I See Fire by Ed Sheeran. So if you download the PDF, you can. I made this PDF specifically for this lesson, and I want to let you know that I give private lessons. So if you want to get private lessons from me, just remember to let me know. Okay, Cannonball. That's it. That's all it is to it. Pretty simple song. Cheers. Have a nice day. I hope that helped you. If you think I could do the tutorials better, let me know how. But I think this is pretty good at the moment.